In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Microsoft account information through Microsoft Teams. It's a simple process, but crucial if you need to keep your personal details current. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First up, let's navigate over to Microsoft Teams. Now, if you're not already using Microsoft Teams, it's a collaboration app that helps your team stay organized and connected, all in one place. You can find it either on your desktop if it's been installed, or you can access it through your web browser by simply Googling Microsoft Teams and clicking through to their official site. Once you have Teams open, make sure you're logged in with the account you intend to update. Next, we're heading to the Settings area within Teams. You typically find Settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Teams interface. From there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Settings from that menu. Now, within Settings, look for the Privacy section. This section helps you manage what information you share and how your data is handled. It's all about keeping your interactions secure and tailored to your preferences. Now, within Privacy, you'll find an option called Management Profile. Clicking on this will direct you toward managing your Microsoft account details. Here, a link will be labeled Visit Your Microsoft Account. Give that a click. This action will redirect you to the official Microsoft website, specifically to the Your Info section of your account. Once you're on the Microsoft website, this is where you can update your personal information. You might see areas where you can modify things like your full name, contact email, phone number, or even set a new profile picture if you're feeling like a change. Remember, having the correct information here is not just about personalization. It ensures that Microsoft can reach out to you crucial updates about your account. With your info updated, their system will automatically save the changes for you. It's really that straightforward, and you've now successfully updated your personal details associated with your Microsoft account. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to ensure your Microsoft account information is always up to date. This is especially valuable for staying connected across various Microsoft services you might be using. Thanks for following along with this guide, and make sure to subscribe if you want to catch more helpful tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.